Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's perfect for beginners looking to make money online with minimal effort. We'll explore the laziest ways to generate income using artificial intelligence, a game-changing technology that's transforming the way we work and earn. If you've ever dreamed of making money while you sleep or from the comfort of your couch, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover various AI-driven methods that can help you earn passive income without requiring extensive skills or time commitment. From automated content creation to AI-powered trading bots, we'll break down each method, making it easy for you to understand how to get started. We'll also discuss the importance of leveraging AI technology in today's digital landscape. With the right tools, you can streamline your efforts and maximize your earnings, all while enjoying a more relaxed lifestyle. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or simply someone looking to supplement your income, these strategies can open up new opportunities for you. So, if you're ready to discover how AI can help you make money online with ease, stick around. Let's jump right in and explore these innovative methods together. Understanding AI and its potential. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines programmed to think and learn like humans. It encompasses a wide range of technologies, including machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics. In the realm of online business, AI has numerous applications that can significantly enhance productivity and profitability. One of the most exciting aspects of AI is its ability to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up valuable time for entrepreneurs and beginners alike. By leveraging AI, you can streamline processes such as customer service, data analysis, and content creation, allowing you to focus on more strategic aspects of your business. This automation can lead to the generation of passive income, as AI tools work tirelessly in the background, even while you sleep. For those just starting out, there are several user-friendly AI tools available. For instance, platforms like Jasper can help you create high-quality written content effortlessly, while tools like ChatGPT can assist in generating engaging social media posts or emails. Additionally, AI-driven trading platforms like eToro can help you invest in stocks and cryptocurrencies with minimal effort. By harnessing the power of AI, beginners can unlock new income streams and enjoy a more efficient online business experience. Affiliate marketing with AI. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model where individuals promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through their referral links. This approach offers numerous benefits, including low startup costs, flexibility, and the potential for passive income. For beginners, affiliate marketing can be an excellent way to monetize a blog, social media account, or website without the need to create your own products. AI can significantly simplify the affiliate marketing process, making it easier for newcomers to find profitable programs. Tools like Affilo Jetpack and ClickBank utilize AI algorithms to analyze market trends and identify high-converting affiliate offers tailored to your niche. This means you can spend less time searching for programs and more time promoting products that resonate with your audience. Moreover, AI can optimize your marketing strategies for better conversions. By using AI-driven analytics tools, you can gain insights into customer behavior, preferences, and engagement patterns. This data allows you to tailor your content and promotional efforts more effectively. For instance, AI can help you determine the best times to post on social media or suggest keywords that will drive traffic to your affiliate links. By integrating AI into your affiliate marketing efforts, you can streamline your processes, enhance your strategies, and ultimately increase your earnings with less effort. Content creation automation. In today's digital landscape, content is king, and creating high-quality content consistently can be a daunting task. Fortunately, AI writing tools like Jasper and Copy.ai are revolutionizing the way we approach content creation. These platforms use advanced algorithms to generate engaging articles, blog posts, and social media content in a fraction of the time it would take a human writer. For beginners looking to make money online, these tools can be invaluable in streamlining the content creation process. Automated content can significantly drive traffic and revenue to your online platforms. By producing regular, relevant content, you can improve your search engine rankings and attract more visitors to your website or social media channels. This increased traffic can lead to higher conversion rates, whether you're promoting affiliate products, selling your own services, or monetizing through ads. While automation is a powerful tool, maintaining quality is crucial. AI writing tools are designed to produce coherent and contextually relevant content, ensuring that your audience receives valuable information. Many of these platforms also allow for customization, enabling you to inject your unique voice and style into the generated content. By leveraging AI for content creation, you can save time, enhance your online presence, and ultimately boost your income with high-quality, automated content. Dropshipping with AI assistance. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This model is particularly appealing to beginners looking for low-effort income, as it eliminates the need for inventory management and upfront investment in products. AI can significantly streamline the dropshipping business model, making it easier for newcomers to navigate the complexities of e-commerce. For instance, AI tools like Oberlo and Spocket can assist with product research by analyzing market trends and identifying profitable items to sell. These platforms provide insights into pricing, demand, and competition, allowing you to make informed decisions without extensive market research. Additionally, AI plays a crucial role in inventory management. Automated systems can track stock levels in real time, alerting you when it's time to reorder or when certain products are trending. This ensures that you never miss out on sales due to stock shortages. Customer service is another area where AI shines in dropshipping. Chatbots and automated response systems can handle common inquiries, process orders, and provide support 24/7, enhancing the customer experience while freeing up your time. By leveraging AI in your dropshipping business, you can optimize operations and focus on growing your income with minimal effort. Investing in AI-powered stocks. Investing in AI-driven companies is an exciting opportunity for those looking to generate passive income. As artificial intelligence continues to transform various industries, from healthcare and finance to retail and transportation, it creates a wealth of investment opportunities. Companies leveraging AI technologies are often at the forefront of innovation, leading to increased efficiency, reduced costs, and enhanced customer experiences, all of which can drive their stock prices higher. For beginners, platforms like Robinhood and E-Trade offer user-friendly interfaces and tools that provide AI stock analysis. These platforms can help you identify promising AI-driven companies by analyzing market trends, financial performance, and growth potential. With features like stock screeners and predictive analytics, you can make informed investment decisions without needing extensive financial expertise. However, it's crucial to remember that investing always carries risks. Conducting thorough research is essential before committing your funds. Understanding the fundamentals of the companies you're interested in, as well as the broader market trends, can help you make smarter choices. Additionally, implementing risk management strategies, such as diversifying your portfolio and setting stop-loss orders, can protect your investments from unexpected market fluctuations. By investing in AI-powered stocks, you can tap into the potential of this transformative technology while working towards building a sustainable source of passive income. In today's video, we explored some of the laziest yet most effective ways to make money online using artificial intelligence. We discussed how AI can simplify affiliate marketing, automate content creation, streamline dropshipping, and even assist in investing in AI-powered stocks. Each of these methods offers unique opportunities for beginners to generate income with minimal effort, allowing you to leverage technology to your advantage. Key takeaways include the importance of utilizing AI tools for tasks like product research, content generation, and customer service automation. By embracing these technologies, you can save time and enhance your earning potential. Remember, while these methods can provide passive income, thorough research and risk management are essential to ensure your success. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on making money online. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might also benefit from these strategies. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content tailored to your interests. Thank you for watching, and we hope you feel inspired to explore these AI-driven methods for generating income. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive even deeper into the world of online earning opportunities. I hope you found a ton of value in this video. If you're ready to dive deeper and discover how to make money without even making videos, then check out the related video below. It's like a free course, just for you. Can't wait to see you there.